All right, so I just woke up. This is day 3 now. It is November 21st, 2022. It's 5 a.m. because, I got to go to work. Like I said, I'll be going to that warehouse 6 a.m. But, it's funny because today's my birthday, and, I don't have anything planned. I'm not trying to celebrate anything. I'm not trying to, like my boy Jordan said in day 2, he was like, I'm not trying to celebrate another year being broke. You know what I'm saying? So I don't really have anything planned. But what I do love about today is that I love how today started. Because I woke up today. I'm about to show y'all right now. Woke up today in profit. You know what I'm saying? This is a screenshot I took. I just posted this on my Instagram. You guys can go follow me on there. But I woke up to $173. You know what I'm saying? I placed a trade last night. Went to bed. And it's just a good feeling to just wake up and profit. I posted the profit in the Discord. I just want to do something amazing every single day. Post it in my Discord and just be able to motivate all the people that's in there. You know what I'm saying? Eventually, I want to see y'all doing something amazing. You know what I'm saying? I have a channel in the Discord called, let's see where it is. It's called Self-Improvement. And then I have a thread that's called Godlike. And I just want people to post something godlike that they did. I think it's so important that you show love to yourself. I know that the society tells you that you're narcissistic if you believe that you are great, if you believe that you are some amazing being. They think it's narcissistic if you love yourself, and I think that's kind of counterproductive. I think the more you love yourself, the more great things you're going to try to do because you believe in yourself. These people don't want you to believe in yourself. Society, they don't want you to believe in yourself. They want you to believe in everything else that they show you, everything that they've been programming you to do every single day. You know what I'm saying? So I had a fortune cookie actually, and it said either you let the environment around you program you or you program yourself. And I choose to program myself. I choose to be conscious of the things that go into my mind because everything is my diet. Not just from not eating McDonald's, you know what I'm saying? Not just eating physical food. I eat fruits. I eat organic things. I like things that are organic because I want to be someone that's organic. When I do these videos, I'm freestyling. Straight organic. That's just who I am in my being. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to eat anything artificial because I'm going to feel more fake. I'm going to feel less me. I'm going to be... wake up. This is me absorbing this energy of this animal that they slaughtered. You know what I'm saying? Like, I eat anything my mother, makes. Even though, I've been trying to stop eating chicken. I've been trying to stop eating cheese altogether. If my mother cooks it, I know it was made with love. And that energy is everything to me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to eat that food. You know what I'm saying? It's the same thing with the programming. When you go on Instagram, what do you see? A bunch of big booty, I ain't got to finish the sentence. You know what I'm talking about. You see baddies on Instagram, especially when I go on mine too. That's something I need to detox too. I think during this no-fap journey, I think that's something I'm going to have to do. And it's so hard for me to do it. You see, it's so hard for me to get rid of one of these distractions, like I said, because that distraction would have kept me from making this $173. I just woke up to this, bro. I woke up like this, you know what I'm saying? I even this is my birthday. I was like, let me make sure I just feel like a god today. You know what I'm saying? I just want to feel good today. You know what I'm saying? So live today how you want to live it. You know what I'm saying? So I even waked and baked. You feel me? I usually don't smoke in the morning. You feel me? I just do a little hit. Like I said, I don't be smoking blunts. It's not a drug to me. It's a herb. The word in me is everything. It changes the relationship you have with it. But I just wanted to feel good today, so I smoked, you know what I'm saying? And I just think this is a great start of my day. I don't have anything planned for my birthday, but I love the way it's going. Because if this, think of every birthday as your rebirth, right? And the day you live on that rebirth, it sets the preset for the rest of your next year. If this is how I'm starting my day on my birthday, I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of you. Day 3 of no-fap, my boy. I am so proud of you. You're only on day 3 and look at the progress you're making. Imagine if you did this for 365 days. That's what I gotta ask y'all to do. Do this with me. Join the Discord in the description. It's gonna be the biggest no-fap movement in the world, bro. Y'all know me. People that know me, y'all know me as Apollo, bro. Y'all know me, bro. I've been trying to be consistent. You feel me? This is day 3. This is my 3rd day in a row posting on YouTube. How long can I keep this going for? I hope I can do this every single day. This is a commitment to me. To me, this is a baby. You feel me? This baby can grow and manifest into something great, but I have to make sure I feed this baby every single day. That's how you gotta look at anything you want to manifest, bro. So baby, that's where consistency comes in. It just depends though, because every baby has to eat. Maybe one has to eat less often, one eats more often, and that's just where consistency comes in. Do you have to feed this thing every single day, or do you feed it every week? Or maybe you just have to feed it every month. Maybe you only have to feed it every year. You know what I'm saying? But you have to be consistent in some shape or manner in order for it to grow. Because if it doesn't have enough water, doesn't have enough nutrients, it can't grow. You have to find that balance. How consistent do you need to be? Shit, maybe you should just start off with every single day. Now, shit, that might kill something that doesn't need to be watered every day. Maybe you need to just water that shit every week. You know what I'm saying? But that's just where experimentation comes in. I think what it comes down to is like, you keep getting that same plant, you keep experimenting on how often you need to water this plant. But the fact that you're doing it, even though you're failing and maybe this plant has died like 30 times, right? On the 31st try, because all you've been doing is failing, you keep getting better and better. You keep learning what not to do. Eventually, you figure out what to do. And that's why, like, I've given myself this project, because I think in me building this project, I'm learning more about the project. I'm learning more how to be better. You know what I'm saying? Just on the NoFap journey, on being a better YouTuber, on being consistent, on building this Discord. I don't know how to use Discord, but I just added a bot to mine yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Like, now there's levels in it. Now you can level up and stuff. You feel me? I might just cop the whole premium shit, so that way, man, I'm about to make this Discord crazy. And the reason I'm putting this energy into it is the same reason my mother puts energy into that food that she makes. Oh my gosh. What happened? What happened? It just completely froze. The camera just froze. Well, you know what? I do gotta go. So until next time, link in the description.